Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a driver on Fedex. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in careers.fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx career website. Now scroll down from the homepage and you will see the drivers option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on take the wheel. You can then click on search driver jobs and you will be able to see all of the job openings for the driver position. Simply click on view job within the job that you are interested in and then click on the apply button. You will now be asked to log into your account. Just enter your email address and your password that you have used while signing up for your FedEx career account and then click on the sign in button. Once you log in, you will be able to finalize your application for the position that you have just selected. Once your application is fully filled up and submitted, you will get your response within a few days, after which you can proceed forward to joining FedEx as a driver. And there you have it. That is how you can become a driver on FedEx. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.